This 10-second test just revealed my fridge was wasting $20 every single month. Grab any piece of paper. Close it in your fridge door. Now try to pull it out. If it slides out easily like this, without any resistance, you are bleeding money every single day. As an electrical engineer, I know this is the simplest home energy audit. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly why this happens, how you can fix it for under $30, and I'll reveal a second hidden problem that's probably even worse. Stay tuned, because this could save you hundreds of money. Alright, let's start with what that paper test actually tells you. It's a simple test is checking your fridge's door gasket. That's this rubber seal that runs all the way around the inside of your door. Its only job is to create an airtight seal to keep the cold air in and the warm air out. When that gasket is damaged, cracked, or just plain loose, cold air constantly escapes. Think of it like leaving a window open in the winter while your heat is running. Your fridge has to work overtime, running its compressor non-stop just to maintain the right temperature. This not only spikes your electricity bill, but also puts a massive amount of wear and tear on the compressor, which is the heart of your refrigerator. A worn-out compressor can lead to a very expensive repair, or even a complete replacement of your fridge. So how do you know if your gasket is bad besides the paper test? It's easy. Just run your fingers along the entire length of the seal. Feel for any cracks, tears, or sections that feel unusually hard or brittle. A healthy gasket should be soft and flexible. If yours feels stiff, or you can see visible damage, it's definitely time for a replacement. Now for the good news. Replacing the gasket is surprisingly simple and incredibly inexpensive. You don't need to call a technician. You can find a replacement gasket specific to your fridge model online, usually for under $25. It's a quick DIY project that most people can do in about 15 minutes with just a few basic tools. With that new gasket installed, you're ensuring your fridge stays perfectly airtight, runs more efficiently, and will last much longer. But we're not done yet. Now let's talk about the second hidden problem that's likely causing your fridge to waste even more energy than a bad seal. Dirty condenser coils. The condenser coils are usually located on the back of your fridge or underneath it. Their job is to release the heat that's been removed from inside the fridge. But over time, these coils get absolutely covered in dust, pet hair, and all sorts of gunk. When they're caked in dirt, they can't release heat effectively. This forces your compressor to work even harder and longer to keep things cool, burning up unnecessary electricity and shortening its lifespan. Cleaning them is simple. Just unplug the fridge, use a vacuum with a brush attachment, and get all that dust off. You should do this at least once a year. So let's recap. That simple paper test in a $25 gasket could easily save you $240 a year. Cleaning your coils adds even more to those savings. But believe it or not, there's likely one more appliance in your home that's costing you even more than your inefficient fridge or water heater. In part 3 of this series, I'm revealing the engineer's secret about water heater elements that most people never check. And it's a huge money waster. For more energy-efficient home appliance guides to help you save real money, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I post new videos every single week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.